Hi guys! Are you a beach goer? If so, then stay tuned because today I'm going to share with you another beach that you can enjoy with together with your friends and family as well. But before that, let me first say thank you very much for supporting my channel. Mega love shoutout po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon na nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm here in a Pebble beach and it is located in Chung, a countryside of Northeast New Territories, Hong Kong, located at the east of Mount Shan, partly lying within its country park. Beyond the panoramic sea view of Chung Pebble Beach is Pat Senling, located at the north of Tai Mitok, one of the rolling peaks of Northeast New Territories. Pebble Beach is quite small, so it's not very familiar with the people around. So if you want to go there, you can enjoy with your friends, and it's quiet and a very good place to unwind because you will not be disturbed of a lot of people. So, you have to try to also guys. At napakalinis po niya. Lalo na pag high tide, maganda po siya. May enjoy po yung moment to be alone. And also while listening the sound of the waves, which is very good for our health as well. So, yun lang guys. Pag may time kayo, bisitahin nyo rin po tong Pebble Beach na nasa Chung. So to get there, you just have to take the 299X bus in Saigon and get off at the Western Australia station. Cross the road to the bus stop opposite. There is a small road in the middle, and this rocky beach is just walking in. If you wear sandals, you can catch small crabs and seashells if you like. So it's very nice place to enjoy, and it seems like you are just in your province that you are also doing the same thing. Yung ba guys, kung sa Bisaya pa, pwede manginhas guys. Pwede manghuli ng mga anong tawag doong crabs? Talangka ba yun? Yun. At saka yung sihi. Ano ba yung Tagalog ng sihi guys? Basta ganun. Namulot nga ako Mamaya tingnan nyo. Meron akong hawak-hawak na na seashells. So enjoy watching everyone. And this is good for your health. This is very close to nature. Ito na yun guys. Yung aking nakuhang seashells. Pwede kaya to kainin? Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Marami yan doon. Tsaka ito, kinakain to Alam ko kinakain to sa probinsya Ayan. So, enjoy lang kayo dyan guys ha. Manood lang kayo dyan ha. Sa mga bago pala nakapag-tune in, mega love shoutout din po sa inyong lahat dyan. Salamat sa pag-drop by sa aking channel. At hope you enjoy my vlogs for today. Enjoy watching everyone. Enjoy the beauty of nature. Habang manginhas muna ako guys. Babalik ako mamaya, okay? Ayan. Enjoy watching. Pagbalik ko mamaya guys, kailangan alam nyo na kung anong Tagalog ng manginhas ha. Kasi tatanong ko yan sa inyo mamaya. May exam tayo. So stay tuned Kasi itatanong ko yan sa inyo mamaya. Enjoy watching, everyone! This part here, nakikita nyo na to sa aking naunang vlogs, yung wave sound. So, ganun lang guys, dito yun. And ngayon, ito lang yung kabuuan. Kaya, inulit ko lang yung yung video. But, ito na yung pinaka view ng buong Pebble Beach. So, hope you enjoy it. And, na-relax ko yung inyong mga mind at mata pansamantala for tonight's show. Actually, yung balak ko talaga dito is yung magla-live ako. Kaso lang, hindi tayo pinagbigyan ng network. Napakahina yung net dito. Tsaka isa pa, may mga tao na nagpapatugtog. So, hindi ko makuha yung gusto kong kunin na sound from the sea. So, kaya yun pinutol ko. Saka inedit ko, ginawa ko siyang wave sound. Supposedly, dapat 2 hours yun for relaxation. Soothing sounds or sleep sounds. Yun talaga ang pinakabala ko dyan, guys. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you very much. Please stay connected to be updated with my next vlogs. To my family and friends, to my YouTube friends, to my new friends, maraming thank you po sa inyong lahat. At sa lahat ng mga nanonood na nandito, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Stay healthy and be safe always po. Paalam!